Rick Rated coming to you from the Oceanside Pier, where, as you may know, there was a fire a few weeks ago. Well, the pier has reopened, so I'm going to go down and check out exactly what's going on. The shops are open, the fishing is open, but it's open to about 80% usage, so the last 20% of the pier is still closed. Obviously, it's going to be closed for a while after the fire, so let's go check it out. The surfers are back. The waters were closed for a couple weeks after the fire due to hazards in the water and toxins. But now we're back to business as usual there. Not sure what their hours are. Maybe they only open early in the morning. 9 a.m. 8 a.m. weekends. They must close until further notice. Well. So that shop is not reopened. Lots of fishing going on here. So as you can see, the end of the pier is closed and will be closed for some time. They haven't announced how long they expect the rebuild to take. There you can see the old rubies in the middle and the brine box over the right there, which both were complete losses. The railing is gone from around the outside of the end of the pier. So sad to see, but hopefully they can take this and rebuild it into something better than it was originally. Here you can see the fish cleaning station is open. Just about everything on the pier except for that bait shop, which I had read that everything was open, so that's interesting. Seal alert. There are some dining options open down below, of course. I'll leave you with a quick shot of the Top Gun house. I'm going to do an in-depth deep dive into that. It's now a pie shop here in Oceanside, California. Have a good one. Classic car, nice caddy. That's a boat. And then also coming up here, bringing you a Cybertruck alert. Someone left their water bottle there. Or classic cars. Corvette alert. We got a C7 ZR1 ahead of us. Very nice. Alright, now we got some Animal Kingdom bonus footage for you. The surf shop from the show. We had some nefarious, underhanded dealings there in a number of episodes. Looks like it went out of business. It was an actual functioning surf shop back in the day when they were filming Animal Kingdom. Interesting.